Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a day in the life of an electrical engineer at the University of Alberta. As you guys can see by the title, today I have 3 classes. It's a Tuesday, and each class is an hour and like 20 minutes. So it's going to be a long day, and thankfully I don't have a lab, because if I had a lab, I would have started at 8, ended at 5 type of thing. Do not want it. Alhamdulillah, I had a good morning so far. I have like 20 minutes to just chill and like get my stuff fully ready, like lunch, bag, all that stuff. I'm not gonna be working out today like at the gym, so I'll show you guys like what I do to like accomplish my project 50 goal of like workout for 30 minutes at least. So I'll just be like popping a couple of push-ups and doing like ab workouts and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this type of video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys when I walk to the train. This is the outfit of the day. Let's go walk to the train. It's like gray outside today, but it's kind of nice, I'm not gonna lie. When you go at like 8 a.m, well, like it's like 7 o'clock right now. No one's walking, no one's on the road. Commute is quite long to school, to be fair. If I drove, I would save a bunch of time, but like it's reliable to get to school by train. I don't want to get into no accidents or anything like that. Alhamdulillah. Class things. Let's see how big you look. Let's see how big you look.
What's up, guys?
Look how he's flexing.
Yo, what's up, guys? You want to see me flex?
We don't want all the attention to us. Come on now.
We'll do a day in the life in the gym, and then you can show everyone how much you squat. How about that?
We'll do a chest day, so then you can show everybody that you bench to 25.
Exactly.
And if you fail, it's gonna be. What is up, Drilla Nation? Now I'm headed home. Gonna hop on this train. Yeah, when I get home, I have to just do a bunch of stuff for school, so like study and all that. I might take a nap as well, you know what I mean? Today is kind of a chill day. You guys are enjoying the content. Alright guys, so I am home. It is currently 3:35 and I left the house at like 7, if you guys recall or so. It's been a long day. I am definitely going to take a nap in my nice warm bed, and after that I'm gonna have to do some work for school, which I will show you guys, of course, and cook. So I'll show you guys what I'm gonna cook. Maybe chicken and rice, maybe fish and rice with a little bit of vegetables. So we'll see what happens. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far, but let me rest, okay? I'm human too. All right, chill. All right, take care. See you guys in a bit. Sheesh, the lighting is great, natural lighting and all of that. I just woke up from the nap. I'm gonna pray, alhamdulillah, I did wudu, and then I'll do like some work on my computer for until Maghrib maybe, and at Maghrib I'll make food. So all in all, today's been a solid day. There's gonna be days where it's gonna be busier. I'm gonna try and get like one of those busy day vlogs in when I have a lab possibly, and like I won't be out of school until like 5, which is gonna be devastating, but I'm gonna be transparent. In terms of project 50, I still have to work out for the day, so I'll show you guys that. I'm just gonna work out at home, and everything else has been accomplished. One more thing that I added to my project 50 was to do less than 4 hours of screen time, but this doesn't count like calls. Like I call my family and I'm on like a FaceTime call, and so if I call them for like an hour, it's quite long. Like I don't want that to count, because a lot of the times when I'm on a call, like I'm not really looking at the screen anyways, so if that makes sense. But I'm trying to make every excuse in the book when it's above 4 hours kind of thing. That's another added thing. Yeah, just thought I would share. So guys, Maghrib is almost upon us. I'm not exactly sure if I am planning to finish it today, but it's also due in 8 days. The thing is, just good to like knock them off in engineering and not worry about it kind of thing, you know, out of sight, out of mind. Today's honestly been pretty calm. If I did have a lab today, it would have been terrible, which I thought I did, but Adam was like, "You're tripping," and I was like, "Hey." But anyways, gonna be a good night, man. Just relax and chill. And look what I got, man. The black Doritos. Anyways, let's cook some dinner. We're back into a familiar place, the kitchen from previous YouTube videos, of course. I'm just gonna make chicken, which I have marinated yesterday. I have some rice, but I want to make a little bit more. I will make a smoothie, a protein smoothie with some nice chocolate protein. And with the chicken and rice, I'll chop up a nice tomato and some cucumbers. It'll be a nice simple thing. I will be calling my mom because it is my birthday. Happy birthday to my mom. So I won't show you guys me cooking because I do want to talk, and I only have this camera. If I had another camera, maybe I could put that on the call and then time-lapse me cooking, but the budget is showing indeed. But either way, you already know what to do. Smash that like button. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, I didn't record me eating or anything, so here's a monkey eating, enjoying his nice apple. That's basically what I was doing. I did a little bit of a workout, just like some push-ups, did some recovery for my back and some sit-ups, and then I went to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and peace.